If you have ever upgraded your kitchen, remodeled a home, or simply replaced an old appliance, you know the dilemma that comes next. What do you do with the old refrigerator, washer, or stove? Most people realize pretty quickly that throwing it out with the weekly trash is not an option. Searching for a dump near me may seem like a solution, but it usually turns into a long, messy, and expensive chore. That is why so many Seattle homeowners are turning top professional junk removal companies to take care of it for them. Whether you are replacing one item or clearing out a full set of outdated appliances, finding the right junk removal near me service can make the entire process easier, safer, and better for the environment. In this guide, we will walk through exactly how to dispose of your old appliances responsibly, what options you have, and why choosing a trusted junk removal Seattle team like Action Junk Hauling is the smart move. Why you should not just toss old appliances. Many people are surprised to learn that large appliances cannot simply be dumped or thrown away. Items like refrigerators, freezers, air conditioners, and washing machines contain chemicals, metals, and wiring that must be handled carefully. For example, refrigerators and freezers contain freon and other refrigerants that are hazardous to the environment. Washing machines and dryers have motors, wires, and metal drums that can be recycled but require proper dismantling. Microwaves and ovens contain electrical components that fall under e-waste regulations. Improperly disposing of these can lead to environmental harm and even fines. Instead of taking risks, most people prefer to contact a licensed junk removal service near me that knows how to handle appliance recycling safely and correctly. Step 1. Decide if the appliance still has life in it. Before booking a Seattle junk removal pickup, take a moment to see if your appliance can be reused or donated. You might be surprised how many organizations will gladly take gently used or repairable items. Try checking with Habitat for Humanity, Restores for Working Appliances. Local shelters or churches that help furnish homes for families in need. Community Buy Nothing groups, where neighbors often give and receive items for free. If it is not working or is not worth repairing, then it is time to schedule junk removal and get it properly recycled. Step 2. Choose the best disposal option. When it comes to old appliance disposal, you have several options. Each has pros and cons depending on the type of appliance, your location, and your schedule. Drop it off at a local dump or recycling center. You can load your appliance into a truck and take it to a dump near me that accepts metal or electronic waste. Keep in mind that many facilities charge a fee, require certain paperwork, or only operate during limited hours. It is not a bad option for smaller items, but if you are dealing with large, heavy appliances, it becomes a full-day project. Retailer haul-away program. Some retailers offer free or discounted haul-away services when you buy a new appliance. This is convenient if you are replacing just one item. However, these programs are not designed for multiple items or full cleanouts. Hire a professional junk removal service. Hiring a junk removal Seattle company is the easiest and most efficient way to get rid of old appliances. The crew handles everything for you, from safely disconnecting the item to hauling it away for recycling. It is the best option if you value convenience, safety, and peace of mind. Why professional junk removal is worth. If you have ever tried hauling a refrigerator or washing machine yourself, you know how difficult and risky it can be. A professional junk removal service near me takes away all the physical strain and guesswork. Here is why hiring a professional Seattle junk removal company makes sense. They handle all the heavy lifting. No back pain, no damaged walls, and no hauling appliances up or down stairs. They ensure safe disposal. Licensed junk removal companies know how to properly recycle or dispose of appliances without harming the environment. They save you time. You can schedule a pickup that fits your calendar instead of spending your weekend driving to a dump near me. They are eco-friendly. Reputable companies recycle metals, wires, and plastics, reducing landfill waste. They are affordable. Most people are surprised to learn that local junk removal near me services are often cheaper than renting a truck and paying dump fees yourself. Common appliances that can be removed or recycled? A full-service junk removal Seattle company can take almost any type of household appliance, including refrigerators and freezers, washers and dryers, dishwashers and ovens, stoves, microwaves and air conditioners, water heaters, furnaces and fans, small kitchen appliances like blenders and coffee makers. Instead of worrying about where to drop them off, a junk removal near me team can pick them up directly from your home, garage, or basement. How Seattle handles. Appliance disposal. Seattle is one of the most environmentally conscious cities in the country, and the city's waste management system reflects that certain appliances must be disposed of at certified facilities, and many require refrigerant removal before being accepted. If you hire a professional junk removal Seattle company, you do not need to worry about navigating those regulations. The team already knows which facilities accept which items and how to stay compliant with local environmental laws. By choosing a licensed Seattle junk removal service, you are not only saving time, you are also making an eco-friendly choice that aligns with the city's sustainability goals. How to prepare for appliance pickup. Before your junk removal service near me arrives, you can make the process even faster with a few simple steps. Unplug and disconnect any electrical or water lines. Remove personal items from inside the appliance. Clear a path for the crew to safely remove the items. Label multiple items if you are having several things hauled away. That is all it takes. The crew will take care of the rest, loading, lifting, and cleaning up afterward. When to schedule junk removal. You can call for junk removal near me at any time, but certain moments make more sense than others. When you are replacing old appliances with new ones. Before moving to a new home. During a remodel or renovation project. When clearing out a rental or estate property. By scheduling a professional pickup at the right time, you can keep your home clean and avoid the stress of storing unwanted appliances for weeks. The environmental benefits of professional junk removal. Every time someone searches for a dump near me, a truckload of old appliances is headed for a landfill. Unfortunately, many of those items could have been recycled. Professional junk removal Seattle services make a big difference. They sort and recycle materials like steel, aluminum, copper, and plastic. They also dispose of refrigerants and electronics through environmentally safe channels. That means fewer harmful chemicals in the soil, fewer metals in the landfill, and more reusable materials going back into production. Choosing a Seattle junk removal company is not just about convenience, it is about doing the right thing for the planet. Why DIY isn't always cheaper. It might seem like hauling an old appliance yourself will save money, but by the time you rent a truck, pay dump fees, and spend half your day on the task, the costs can quickly add up. A professional junk removal near me team has everything needed: vehicles, equipment, manpower, and knowledge to get the job done quickly and safely. You can sit back, relax, and know your old appliances are being handled the right way. The easiest way to get rid of old appliances in Seattle. If you live in the Seattle area, you are in luck. There are several junk removal Seattle companies that make appliance disposal simple and stress-free. Instead of wasting your weekend loading up heavy machines or figuring out which dump near me accepts them, you can call a local expert who handles everything from start to finish. When you choose a reliable junk removal service near me, you can rest easy knowing your appliances will be recycled, reused, or disposed of responsibly. Let Action Junk Hauling handle it for you. If you are ready to get rid of old appliances quickly and responsibly, Action Junk Hauling is your trusted local expert. We are known throughout Seattle for fast, friendly, and affordable junk removal that puts your convenience first. Our team handles all types of appliance removal, from small kitchen gadgets to full-sized refrigerators, and we do it with care and professionalism. You do not have to lift a thing. We offer same-day appointments, transparent pricing, and eco-conscious disposal practices. Stop wasting time searching for a dump near me or worrying about where to take your old appliances. Let Action Junk Hauling do it all for you. Visit Action Junk Hauling today to request a free quote. Discover why so many homeowners trust us for reliable, local Seattle junk removal and experience the easiest junk removal near me you will ever book.